Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making fresh plum rice water. Combine 1/2 cup rinsed rice with 1 cup water and gently rub for 10-15 minutes to release starch and plum essence. Once done, strain through a fine sieve into a clean jar, discard solids. Make sure to cool to room temperature before applying. You want a lightweight, slightly milky toner. This preserves nutrients and reduces irritation. Immediately move to application while it's fresh. Do not store unrefrigerated for long. You now apply the Plum Rice Water Toner with purpose. Pat lightly using a cotton pad or mist 3-4 pumps while holding the bottle 6 to 8 inches away. Press into skin with fingertips to aid absorption. This encourages the toner's amino acids to hydrate and prep your barrier for serum. Make sure to wait 30-60 seconds so the toner sets, then follow with a hydrating serum and moisturizer. In the morning, always finish with SPF to protect newly hydrated skin. To finish, store your plum rice water in a sealed glass jar in the fridge and use within 3-4 days for safety and potency. This slows bacterial growth and preserves the active compounds. If you notice irritation, redness, or burning, stop using it immediately and patch test on the inner wrist after 48 hours before trying again. If the toner develops an off scent or discoloration, discard it. This indicates spoilage. Remember, safety first. Refresh ingredients often for.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.